delicious plant-based milk is just a touch away. Introducing the Gen N from Nutter. Turn your favorite nuts or seeds into your favorite milk. Free from preservatives and fillers. Just fresh, healthy, plant-based milk. The Gen N grinds so fine that it requires no straining, no bags, and keeps all the nutrition. When you make milk this easily, you'll never have to buy expensive milks from the store again, saving you hundreds of dollars each year. Gen N is also better for the environment. No cartons means no waste. Because the Gen N is self-cleaning, there's no mess. The Nutter app allows you to start remotely, be notified when your milk is ready, and even order Nutter blends right to your door.
Matcha.
With Nutter blends, you can add your favorite flavors and even more nutrition to your favorite plant-based milk recipes. The Gen N is so versatile, you can make soup, smoothies, lattes, and even pasta sauce. And with Alexa integration, you can even
Alexa, make me a matcha latte with oat milk.
Hey Bailey, coming right up.
plant-based milk the way it should be with the Gen N from Nutter, the leader in at-home plant-based milks.